Guys, running Facebook advertising is something very interesting that you enjoy. Okay, so if you have the passion to run Facebook ads and see results and get results, you can join us in done with you training. You can see my dashboard, my screen, and you can see this summary report, summary daily report. You can see this report. You can see the amount of money spent, the results that's purchase and optimizing for purchase, cost per results, landing page view, add to cart, impression, then website purchases, and some other important of course metrics that I use for making my decisions to scale up. So in this stuff here, I can use this to do my analysis and see how my Facebook advertising is really performing. You can see the days, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. So I can monitor sales per day, and at the end of the month I see how the ad is really performing. You can see today is 21st of January. That's 21st of January. I can see already one sale came in. This product is a product of 15,000 naira, and it cost me 1,700 over 1,000 naira to get one product. Okay, so you look at these variables. You can use this report and sit down, analyze why is your cost like this, what's the issue, why you having this report. I can see some days we had about 8 sales. This is on the 20th, that was yesterday. There was like 8 sales, and then on that 8 sales you can see that the cost was over 9,000 naira to get the 8 sales. Okay, and on the 19th there was also another, we had 8 sales on the 19th. On the 17th we had 8 sales. On the 14th we had 10 sales for 15,000 something. So you can look at generate reports that will help you look at some KPIs, and also check some vanity metrics that will help you make good decisions. So running Facebook ads is very interesting. Once you know your numbers, you know what you're expected to look out for, then you do your audit and see what you need to improve, optimize after collecting data. Actually, there are 4 phases I use in this implementation. I do data collection, I do my testing, I test, and after testing I do my analysis, optimization. Then from the informed data, not what I think, but from the data I'm collecting, I scale up. Okay, and this is what I do, and I get this result. It can be better, of course. It can be better. By the time I look at my metrics, what should I improve? Should I change the audience? Should I change my creative? Should I change my ad copy and all that? So see, Facebook advertising is just simple mathematics, simple logic. So if you're interested, I have a course, a program just for 2 weeks, and it is done with me service. Okay, just 2 weeks. Okay, online, and I assure you of getting results. If you want to join our program, one, you must have a laptop. If you have a phone, no. Phone is no. If you have a laptop, fine. That means you are ready to join us. Aside the laptop, if you have products to promote, please, you need it, because you need to see results as it is end as you learn. It's going to be for 2 weeks, and if you're interested, you can sign up. Okay, you can always chat me up on the 0034 313770. Let's help you get results in your advertising. Let's help you increase your sales and show you how you can always scale up, and show you the metrics that are important to your business. I will see you in the members area.